Wait a minute and stop scrolling. Just give me your 10 minutes, okay? If you have dull skin, if your face is full of dark spots, you are looking for a way to remove it. These 5 natural ingredients will change everything for you. No chemicals, no product, and no expensive product. Just cucumber, aloe vera, and 3 more tighten secret ingredients that will make your skin get instant tight just a minute. When you just use it, you are the first day when you use it, you are going to see difference from your face. Immediately when you use it, you are going to see a difference from your face. Your skin will looking very smooth, or your face is going to be looking very smooth, fresh, and glassing. That is what we all want. You can be looking at my face like this and saying, what about your face? Yes, I know where the journey that I have came from. So I have come from long journey, and I know you are the one watching me now. If you also start it now, you are going to, one day you are going to be happy and thank me later. Even if you don't come back to my channel, you will definitely going to thank me for showing you that ingredients or that treatment. So let me stop talking and we divert to the video. But before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, please kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. So let me stop talking, let's start dating. Don't go away. I will definitely going to explain each ingredient. It's 5 ingredients, each ingredient benefit. I'm going to explain it to you guys in this video. Okay, let's do it. Today is my routine day, so I'm going to use it, I'll apply it, and you guys will see. Okay, let's start the video now. So let's start our cucumber, 1 cucumber. So while we are doing it, definitely we can be talking a little bit about it. My queens, after starting grinding my cucumber, let's talk about the cucumber benefit. Cucumber juice is hydrating deep and cooling your skin while you are using cucumber juice for your skincare. Cucumber juice is also reducing puffiness and dark spots at the spot. It's also giving instant glowing. Cucumber juice is one of the powerful natural remedy when it comes to a skincare. Cucumber juice is also good while you are drinking it, not only for the face or using it as a salad. You can also drink it, blend it and drink cucumber juice. It's very, very good. So after blending your cucumber, the next thing you need is to get something to strain it, something that is going to give you a light, clean juice without having any particles inside, right? This thing, is very, very powerful, because I want you guys to stay tuned and watch to the end, because you will see the ending. After I apply it, you guys will tell me what you guys see in the comment section. And will you like to try this treatment, homemade treatment, face mask treatment? Will you love to try it at home, or have you ever tried before? Let me know in the comments below. And also do not forget, let me know where you are watching me from. So now our next ingredient is cornstarch. Cornstarch benefit, it's also tightening skin and controlling oil. It's also smoothing texture for your skin. It's also making skin looking soft and fitter. So cornstarch is very, very good when it's come to a remedy or skincare. Is very, very good. So after that, I'm adding my rose water. I'm adding some few drop of rose water. If you have that opportunity, you can add, but if you don't have it, that rose water, maybe that part you can skip that one. Okay, so after the rose water, I'm adding honey. But let's come back and see rose water, what is it do for your skin. Rose water is calming irritation. If you have irritation skin and you are adding it, it's going to make your skin calm down. When something is having some bad temper, you have to make something for the person to calm down, That is what rosemary is doing. Rose water, sorry. That is what rose water is doing for your skin. It's also balancing skin pH, which is very, very good and powerful. Now, that is my aloe vera gel, but I'm going to use this one, the one they say 92%. We'll come to that point. So rose water also refreshing and brighten dull skin. If your skin is very dull and you are looking for something that will brighten it and make it look, look that skin, brighten that dull skin, rose water is going to help you. So before you apply this treatment, you can see how I'm doing. I wash my face thoroughly and I use my cotton pad to clean my face. You can use cotton pad or just use towel, no problem, or your tissue to clean your face and apply. But always make sure that your skin, your face is very clean before you apply this treatment. Okay, do not apply while your skin or your face is dirty. So let's check and see honey. I added honey. Honey also is adding moisture to yours. It's adding moisture and locking it, hydrate in your skin or in your body. It's also fighting for acne, bacteria from your face. It's adding natural glow while you are adding honey to your treatment. It's very, very good. So after that, what did I add? I added aloe vera gel, right? Yeah, aloe vera gel that I added. My people, when you are doing, but always make sure that to protect your eye. That place is very, very important, okay? As you guys can see, when I was doing, it's almost going to cause accident. So you always make sure to protect your eyes from those things. So let's check and see aloe vera gel for adding it. Aloe vera gel is also healing and repairing skin. Have you heard it? Aloe vera gel is healing and repair your skin. As I say, if you have damaging skin, if you have dull skin, if you have acne, sun damage, chemical damage, whatever that is in your skin, and you are looking for something that to repair, to make it look brighter and smooth, that is the thing aloe vera gel you need to be adding. So aloe vera gel is also smoothing redness for your acne and your acne. Aloe vera is very good. It's also boosting smooth and glassing skin. It's going to smooth and make your skin look glassing. Instance when you start using this, you are going to even love it more, because this treatment is not like a just treatment. This is face therapy. Tell me, how are you seeing? Now I'm trying to see it's not yet dry, so we have to wait for this thing to get dry. After it's get dry, I will wash it and will definitely going to come back here. So the remaining one, I pour it here. You can use it 2 to 3 days per week. That is why I pour inside. You can use it for your body also, not only for your face. Immediately when you are going your face, you can leave it like 50 to 20 minutes before go and rinse it with water. If you want to use it with the whole body, then you can go inside, use it, just stay inside the shower for 5 minutes also. It's okay, it's going to work for you. 5 minutes so that you start bath. So this one, I'm going to keep it inside my refrigerator, and it's going to take me for 3 days. That's 3 times per week is very good. So if you have that opportunity to make this treatment, try to use it 3 times per week. It's going to help you a lot. It's helped me, and I know definitely it's going to help you also, because I came from long journey. As you guys, if you will see how my face used to be, you will not believe it, because full of dark spot, and I was not comfortable using makeup, which I don't know even how to do makeup. I don't know how to make makeup, just using light makeup on my face. So now, after finish washing it, now I'm applying my vitamin C oil on my face. I'm using vitamin C oil. I make this oil by myself, please. If you want to learn how to make your own vitamin C oil, try to visit my channel. You will see the video over there so that you also watch it. This vitamin C oil, I did not use any fresh thing to make it. I used dry thing because if you use dry thing, it's helping you a lot. Whether you have used it or not, the oil can stay up to 1 year or more than 1 year without spoiling. But if you use the fresh one to make your oil and you don't know how to use it very well, you cannot preserve it very well, it's going to spoil very quick. It's going to spoil. I don't want it that way. I want to use my vitamin C oil for long periods. So that is why I make my things dry. Guys, how did you see you? Have you guys seen the changes? Oh my god, I love myself. It's very soft. Even my joints, the way oh my god, I can't believe it. Guys, you need to try this. I'm super excited. This thing is so good, and actually it's very good. Try it and thank me later. If you also facing the same problems, dark spot, acne, damaging, sun damaging, try this thing and thank me later. I know you are going to enjoy it. When you just touch it, it's very soft. Guys, see you. Oh my god, this is crazy. I love you guys. Okay, I love you guys. Okay, let's see. Let's go and make another video. We'll do tonic. Okay, I'm going to make face tonic for tonight also, because this night my tonic is finished, so I'll prepare the tonic. Whether I'll prepare it today or tomorrow, but it's just whether today or tomorrow I'm going to make face tonic. So please come and join me and we make it together. Okay, if you watch this video, come and watch that face tonic also, how to make your face tonic, cleaning tonic, how to make it in an easy way. Come and join me and we do it together. Okay, bye bye. I love you all.